In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put an image and a shape in Google Slides. So let's get right into it. So let's say you want to put this image in a shape. You want to do is select the image and then go up here where it says crop right next to it and this arrow. Click on mask image, go to shapes, and then just click any shape you want. For example, let's choose a circle. And there it is. You just put the image in the shape. Now, if you want to go back to the regular image, just press this back button here, undo, and there it is. So let's try another one. Once again, mask image, shapes. Let's try triangle, and there you go. Go back. Okay, now you can also um, do arrows or call outs. For example, let's do an arrow. There's an arrow image. Go back. Same thing, mask image. We could do a call out, and there it is. Okay, now if you want to go back just to regular image, just press the back button and there it is. Okay, and that's simple. And that's it, guys. That's how to put an image and a shape in Google Slides. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.